Hi, I'm Summer Wright. I have my own nonprofit fundraiser company called For the Kids. I help schools with their school fundraisers. I help with ideas, participation, and increased dollars raised, and any work in between. I know that since you're with the PTA at Desert Canyon Elementary, you might be interested in knowing that school fundraisers only bring in about $2,000 into their pocket. The great thing about For the Kids is that we've been able to fix that problem by making it more of a fun activity for everybody involved, bringing in the community. And since we are a nonprofit company, the profits go to the school. In fact, we are the only local nonprofit company that are able to give the funds to the school. I think our solution could really help you by being able to give the profits and giving you computers and books or anything that your school needs. I would love to tell you more about my company. When are you able to speak this week?